celebrate?
As we celebrate this special day, remember the things we learned from shapes and colors, learn the ABC, and counting 1, 2, 3, showing our talent, and all the fun adventures we shared.
We play.
We play, we love, and we learn a lot.
Thank you to our kind. Thank you to our kind
Thank for kind to love.
teachers.
Thank for kind to love the teacher, Teacher Nadia, Teacher Maran. Thank for
Patience.
patience.
For taking care of us.
For taking us every day and for teaching us.
We will always remember
We always remember on a day
we learn.
we learn.
Truly they are.
Truly our child development worker will meet the teachers,
To our dear classmates. To our dear
our
classmates.
dear classmates, making our friends along the way.
Thank you for all the fun times.
Thank you for the fun time together.
Throughout the journey. Throughout this journey. To our beloved parents.
To our beloved parents, thank for love and support.
We are so
We're so
lucky.
lucky and blessed to have without our journey. Thanks for everything. My dear Mama Ryan and Mama Bear, I love you so much.
Most of all,
Most of all, thank you, Papa Jesus, for love and guidance on this journey.
today,
Today is not the end,
but the beginning,
but the beginning of our journey.
to dream
Dream big and spread our wings.
again movers,
Rebel,
again movers.
remember,
We did it.
we did it.
Congrats
Congratulations all of us.
for a job well done.
For the God bless us all.